Hello, this is Brandon Christy from Christy Capital Management with an educational economic update for November 2019. In this month's video, we'll discuss some recent headlines that influenced October stock prices. I will also offer some perspective on what these developments may mean in the months ahead. Please stay tuned at the end of this video for a required disclosure statement. Stocks were up in October. Investors liked what they heard about interest rates, trade, and earnings. The S&P 500's 2% gain was topped by Nasdaq Composite, which rose 3.7%. The Dow Jones Industrial Average improved just 0.5%. On October 30, the S&P closed at a record high. The Federal Reserve lowered the benchmark interest rate by 1/4 point. This is now in a range of 1.5% to 1.75%. Fed Chair Jerome Powell said that the central bank believes the current stance of monetary policy is likely to remain appropriate. Well, on October 11th, President Trump announced that the U.S. and China were close to approving Phase 1 of a new trade pact. President Trump and the Chinese president plan to sign it sometime this month. Earnings season was about 70% done when October ended. Through November 1st, 76% of S&P 500 companies had beaten earnings estimates. 61% had beaten sales estimates. Job creation topped forecasts last month. The Department of Labor reported 128,000 net new jobs. Economists polled by Bloomberg have projected 85,000. This happened even with the General Motors strike impacting factory hiring. Unemployment was at 3.6%. Well, that's it for our educational economic update for this month. As always, if you have any questions or concerns about what we've discussed, please give our office a call at the number below. Please remember that nothing we talk about here is a recommendation. Give our office a call at 866-331-7749, and we would be happy to discuss your personal financial situation. Well, this is Brandon Christy with Christy Capital Management and your November 2019 Educational Economic Update.
While we believe this information in this report is reliable, we cannot guarantee its accuracy. Opinions expressed are subject to change without notice and are not intended as investment advice or solicitation for the purpose or sale of any security. Please consult your financial professional before making any investment decision. Investing involves risk, including the potential loss of principal. No investment strategy can guarantee a profit or protect against loss in periods of declining markets. The indices mentioned are unmanaged and cannot be invested into directly. Past performance does not guarantee future results. The modern design of the S&P 500 stock index was first launched in 1957. Performance prior to 1957 incorporates the performance of the predecessor index, the S&P 90.